Our top 5 best float tubes. Number product. Gopless inflatable fishing float tube. If you are looking for a successful day out fishing, then you're going to need to be kitted out. A solid rod, good tackle, and bait are essentials, but what you may not have invested in is an inflatable fishing float tube. It'll help you access deeper waters than you did by land and be comfortable while doing it. You'll get great buoyancy with the ability to hold up to 350 pounds. Number product. Aqua 4"-1 Monterey Hammock Inflatable Pool Float. This quality pool float can be used as a fully extended hammock for those days when you just want to soak in the sun. It's built to be extremely buoyant due to its thick material build. For those looking to exercise in the pool, you can use it as a saddle that frees up your legs and arms. Throw it in front of you and it's a drifter great for a lazy river. Number product. Bestway 4-person inflatable raft. Perfect party float. This large floating raft is the ideal solution for ultimate summer fun for adults and kids. It can comfortably fit up to 4 people with extra wide pillow backrests and built-in cup holders for each person. Stay cool on the water. Dip your feet and legs in the water to cool off in the open floor area in the middle of the float. Each seat has pliable mesh bottoms, so you sit below the waterline for a refreshing feel. Number product. Intex River Lounge Inflatable Diameter. Intex's Red River Run float tube has ropes that can connect if you are looking to pair up with someone else's tube. 2 convenient cup holders and strong handles are included. The bottom of the tube is covered with a mesh bottom, making it one of the comfiest river float tubes you'll find. The tube is a truly versatile pick, and it's a great quality option for those looking for an action-packed day on the water. Number product. Intex Pack Transparent Tubes Colors. When you're entertaining a pool of kids for a birthday party, you'll be in dire need of as many pool toys as possible. That's where Intex's great floats will offer you a helping hand. Available in blue, green, and pink, there's a tube for everyone. If you want an inflatable tube to casually lounge around or a good option for the kids in a pool, then this Intex pack of 3 will be a great option. Thanks for watching this video.